In this video, I'm going to walk you through Human Synthesys Studio and show you how to create a video using this amazing tool. Once you log into your Synthesys account, just click on the Humatars tab on the upper left part of your dashboard and click Select Humatar. You will see a variety of Humatars which you can use for your video. Click on the Preview button to watch a preview of how the Humatar works. Click on Choose Actor for the Humatar that you want to use. Now, you can start filling out the required fields. First, enter a title for your video. The title should be a maximum of 40 characters only. Then, choose the Humatar position. You can choose full if you want a bigger sized Humatar or circle for a smaller one. For full, you can choose to position the Humatar at either bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. For the circle, you have all the position options except for the middle center. Once you have chosen the Humatar position, you can now add your background. You can use either images, videos, or colors from the available options, or you can upload your own image or video too. If you want to upload your own image, just click on Add Image and you will be prompted to upload your own image from your own files. Then click on the image that you want to use for your video and then click the Select button. The same procedure applies if you want to upload your own video. Please take note that the video that you can upload should have a maximum of 1 minute duration. Now, let's go to the soundtrack. You have the option to either use a soundtrack from a predetermined list or not use any soundtrack. You can listen to each of the soundtracks by clicking the play icon. Please take note that you should pause first the soundtrack you have initially played before playing the other soundtracks. Now we're ready to add the script for the video. You can enter a maximum of 1,000 characters in the video script box. After entering the script, you now have to choose the voice talent or language by clicking on the Choose a Voice and Language link below the script box. Once you click this, you will be prompted with a list of voice talents and languages that you can use. You can preview the voices by clicking on the play icon on the right. Once you've decided, just click on the voice talent or language that you want to use. Then, click on the Play Script button. The Play Script button will give you a preview of how the script is being read. You also need to click on the Play Script button for each slide before you click on the Create Video. Once you've completed all the fields and clicked on Play Script, you can now render the video by clicking the Create Video button. Once you click this, you will be directed to the Videos window where you will see the progress of the video being rendered. Once you see the word Ready under the Progress column on the right part of the screen, you can now click on the 3 dots on the right to either download or edit the video.